All right, welcome to Heart Academy for September 27, 2016. Hey guys, okay, so this first video is for 7th graders, your homework, which is Box and Whisker Plots number 2. And with today's assignment, we are going to do interpreting the box plots. So yesterday we learned how to draw them. Today we learned how to look at one that's already drawn and learn how to interpret the information that's given on it. All right, so you have a front and back piece for homework. This being the first one. Make sure it says level 1 S2 on it. And there are 2 questions on each page. I shall do the first question of each page for you. Therefore, you really only have 2 to do on your own. Okay. Who's a good please? I'll just put myself right here. It's kind of cool. Okay. And the time is 9:29 a.m. Everybody else is in second period. I'm in my classroom eating a pumpkin spice cookie. So good. By the way, pumpkin spice is my favorite flavor of anything. That's why I love fall. All right. Got distracted. Read with me. Question number 1. Shouldn't have bit the cookie first. Excuse me. Okay. No, not there yet. Oh yeah. All right. 11 trays have different colored balls in them. The number of balls kept in each tray is counted to make a box and whisker plot. Read the plot and answer the questions. Here we go. Box and whisker plot. Now, let's remember what we did when we graphed box and whisker plots. We know that this first dot is representing the minimum number, right? Put it in mind for short. The second dot is representing quartile 1. Third dot is representing quartile 2. And fourth dot is actually representing quartile 3. And this dot is representing the maximum. There we go. Now, with this information, looking like this, it'll make it a lot easier for you to answer the following questions. Question A, what is in the second quartile from the plot? So all you have to do is look at the second quartile and what number does it fall into. Now remember, I was talking about in class, it's a lot easier to see these if you're looking at a ruler. So if you have a ruler or something straight, so you can line up your dot against the number line and get a more accurate reading. I don't know if my tools here have a ruler, but I'm about to find out. Math tools. Well, look at that. Ruler. Well, ain't that something? Who knew? Can I turn the ruler around? Well, yes, I can. Okay, so put this over the side again and go back to what I was looking for. What is the second quartile from the plot? So this is quartile 2. Let's line it up. As you can see, it's right about here. Okay. So if that's here, let me move my ruler out of the way. I have 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. That dot is on the 79. So that's the answer. Letter B, write the third quartile from the plot. Well, there's your third quartile. Let's line it up. As you can see, that third quartile dot is going right about here. All right, I'm gonna move this out of the way. That's 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Easy enough. 89. All right, next one. What is the maximum number of all the balls in the tray? That's right here. Maximum. See, not as hard as you thought, people. All right, so finding the maximum. Anybody see what happened to that ruler? Sorry about that. Here we go. Okay. Aha, maximum. Right there. Which I can say is right here. Hold on. And so that means the maximum is at 90, 95, 96, 97, it's like 98. So maximum will be 98. What were we talking about? Ta-da. So that's how we do and interpret a box and whisker plot. Easy enough so far. So I will see you on the next one. And oh, look at that. I got plenty of time. I can do the next one right on this video. All right. So that was the first question, 7th graders, on the first page of your homework. And if you flip your page, this is the second side. Question number 1. And I shall help you with this one too. Now, if you haven't actually stopped my videos before and tried to answer the questions yourself first, now would be a good time. You can do this, I'm sure. All right, let's read. Roam downloads 10 million applications in his smartphone. The size of each application in megabytes is noted in box and whisker plot is made. Read the plot and answer the questions. Write the third quartile. Oh, let's label these. Remember, this represents the minimum number. This represents quartile 1. This represents quartile 2, quartile 3, and the maximum number. Okay? Question number 1. Let me go ahead and get my ruler back. Make sure I have a straight. Okay. Okay, just want to make sure that it's really straight. There it is. Okay, so now that I have my ruler, write the third quartile from the given plot. Quartile 3 is over here. See, dot is right here. So I'm looking at right here. And so that would be 41. And our next question says, write in the minimum size of the application download. Well, here's your minimum. My minimum is going to reach at right there. Okay. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 megabytes is what we're talking about, so that's what I'll put. Megabytes. And then, what is the first quartile? Right here. Okay, and if you look, you can tell it's right here, and it looks to be 21. All right, that's it. Easy as pie. You got this. I will see you tomorrow.